Are you not seeing any sales from your published Amazon KDP books? Or maybe your books vanished in the great Amazon sea? In this Amazon KDP niche research video, I'm going to share with you how to niche your topics down and find the perfect category to put your KDP books and make more money on Amazon KDP. And later on, I will show you the power of niching down, which will take your business to success. Hi, my name is Tina. If you're new here, a very warm welcome to my channel, where we share how to earn passive income with Amazon KDP and build income streams, which is a way to your financial freedom. So, if you would like to watch more of my upcoming videos on this topic, consider subscribing to my channel. Choosing a broad niche for your books is just like throwing a tiny fish in a sea. What will happen is that it will just get lost. When doing niche research for your KDP books, you really need to niche down and get to that ideal customer demographic in order to be successful. So where do you start from? You need to start with brainstorming ideas to take things out of your mind. It can be from your passion, your experience, your hobbies, things you like, anything you can think of to start with. Don't just jump on a niche without doing proper research. It does not work, trust me. Or you can start by just going to Amazon itself to get some ideas. Go to the books category and scroll down through the categories and subcategories which are there. There are so many categories. See if you can find some topics that you are interested into pursuing further. Let's say during your research, you found this book in business and money category and it caught your eye, right? Now you are interested in this topic and you would like to publish a similar book. Please do not just publish your book in this category without doing proper research. Just look at the book results of this category. Over 70,000 results. If you check the #1 best-selling book in this category, it has a bestsellers rank of #1, and the 100th book has a BSR of 1,412. Do you know what this is telling you in terms of competition? Stay away. Because you are a new publisher, to compete with these books, you will need to sell thousands of your books because they are already established. That will be so hard, near to impossible, right from the beginning. So putting your books in a high-level category will not do much for you because it is too broad and competitive. It will not be found and you will not make any money. You won't make any sales because you're trying to target everyone in that category. There might be high demand in the main category, yes. But if you look around books in this category, there is no one book that covers everything about business and money topic. So to niche down, first you must think who is your ideal customer you will be publishing this book for. What is their problem that you want to help them with? And what is this book going to do for them? For example, let's say this is a journal. Looking at the book cover design, the colors, and the title, it is definitely targeting women. Now you need to find an ideal type of woman who would buy your book. Is she single? Is she married? Has she got any kids or not? What's her income status like? Is she working or is she a businesswoman? Extract all you can think of, whether using your experience, likes, passion, family, anything which can relate to this woman. All you're trying to do is build an avatar for this woman, a profile which will help you talk directly to her and not everyone else, because every woman is different, and I'm sure you can agree with me on this one. So you cannot just target all women with your book. Now you will say, why would this woman buy this book? What is her problem that my book will help her with? Remember, this book is in business and money category right now. You will now start narrowing down to subcategories while brainstorming. About this woman, is she an entrepreneur? Is she into investing? Is she in real estate or is she in personal finance? Oh, this woman is having personal finance issues. Aha! You see now, we are down to personal finance. And we are out of the main category, business and money. Now the next question will be, what about her personal finance? What's happening with it? Is there a scenario that has happened to her which will lead her into getting a book? Is it about credit ratings and repair? Has she got a lot of credits and loans debts that she is struggling to pay off? Does she want to repair her credit ratings? Is it retirement planning? Is she trying to save money for her retirement? Or maybe she has or wants to have children and she wants to learn more about college and education costs and plan in advance. Or she wants to manage her money well so that she can keep track of her income and expenditure. Now we are down to money management, subcategory, and out of personal finance. You see where we are going and how we have managed to narrow down so far. We are now in budgeting and money management category. What about money management? What is her one problem that she's facing which has made her to start looking into budgeting and money management? Is it to get out of debt? Maybe she wants to save some money for a particular reason. Now we have really niched down to our ideal customer's problem that we want to help them solve with our book. What is the purpose of the money she's trying to save? Is it to buy a house? Is it for a vacation? Does she want to upgrade her car? Now we are able to create and publish a book on Amazon KDP for this woman on budgeting and put it in this category. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button below to reach more people who will also find it helpful. And also, this helps me know which type of topics you guys are interested in. Then I can make more videos on that topic for you. After all this research, we can conclude that this woman will be searching for this type of books: Budgeting Journal for Women, How to Save Money in 2 Months, How to Get Out of Debt, How to Save Money for a House. Do you think creating a book on how to save money this woman will buy? Of course she will, because she wants to know how she can save some money to solve her financial issues. Do you think if we can create and publish Budgeting Journal for Women and put it in this category, our ideal customer will buy it? Of course she will, and so are other people in the similar situation. So now you have really targeted the right customer. All you need to do is to create and publish the right book for her on Amazon KDP. And guess what? Instead of being a tiny fish in the sea category of business and money, you are now a big fish in a pond of budgeting and money management. Imagine this: your ideal customer will come to Amazon, type her search in the search box, and your book will be right in front of her. She might maybe scroll down to see other books which might be unrelated to her, but since you are talking straight to her, what do you think she will do? Hit the purchase button of your book. That's where your huge success will come from. Putting the right product for the right customer at the right time will make you more money on Amazon KDP. Now let's get to some numbers for a bit. Now the #1 best-selling book in budgeting and money management has a BSR of 140, and the 100 has a BSR of about 17,600. Now, have you seen that the competition has gone down dramatically there than the business and money category we saw earlier? So you need to drill down to identify that one particular customer and find the perfect niche or category for this customer, the one that is not too competitive but has high demand, where you can publish your book, because this customer represents thousands of other people. You'll be able to sell your books to them all and become successful in your KDP book publishing business. Now let's try to do something else. If you search Budgeting Journal for Women on Amazon in books category, you will see that there are over 20,000 results, right? If you go down to business and money, there are also over 20,000 results. Now, if you go down to personal finance, with the search, there are over 6,000 results. Now, let's see the other subcategories under personal finance. Budgeting and money management, over 6,000 results. College and education costs, there are just over 51 results. Credit rating and repair, just over 200 results. Retirement planning, just over 150 results. An insane drop down in numbers, right? That's the power of niching down. Now tell me, if you publish your book in such subcategories with less competition and high demand, will your book not do well? I'm sure you'll be able to answer that after all this we've done today. Now, after niching down, your research should not end there. You will need to verify your niche following these steps. First is demand. Is there a high demand for this topic? Are there people searching for books in this niche on Amazon? Because you might have found the perfect category, but if no one is searching to buy books in that niche, then you will not make any money, will you? Put your main keyword in the category search box to check and analyze the data that comes up. Look if you can see any auto suggestions for that keyword. If there is no suggestions, consider tweaking it until you find the one that people are actually searching for and use that keyword. Next, profitability. Is the niche profitable? People might be searching for that keyword, but are they actually buying the books in that niche? So you need to research more to find out if books in this niche are actually selling and making money. Check the bestsellers rank, reviews, as these are indicators that there is high demand and potential for making money if you publish a book on Amazon KDP in that niche. Next is passion or interest. Do you have some interest in this niche? There are ups and downs in any business, and having a passion or interest in that niche will give you that power to get up whenever you fall along the way. Also, as in anything, when you like what you're doing, you don't feel that much of pain. Time goes fast before you know it, it's done. It makes the process easier for you. Otherwise, if you don't like what you're doing and something else comes up, it's easy just to leave it and move on and try something else. And you end up going round and round the circle, not achieving what you really want. Next is marketing beyond Amazon. Are you able to market your book on other marketing platforms so that you should not put all your eggs in one basket? Remember, there is also competition to think about. If you can market your books outside Amazon, you will not think too much about competition, as you have more traffic coming from other channels like Facebook, Instagram, blogging, and YouTube, and the other ones. I do go deeper in these steps in my how to find a niche video. I'll add a link in the description box below if you want to check that out. That's the process, guys, and I hope this video will help you during your KDP books niche research. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so that you can be notified whenever I post another video on Amazon KDP topics. I'll see you in the next one.